Plug the jump drive included in the SVS package into the USB port of your computer. Double-click setup.exe to automatically run the install shield wizard. Click Next to continue the installation steps. You will be asked to accept the license agreement. Enter the username and organization information and click Next to continue. Click Install and the installation wizard will install the program. When the installation is complete, select Finish to exit the installer and launch the program. Then remove the jump drive from the USB port. Next, we'll connect the cables and set up the COM port to communicate between the Examiner Pro Verifier and SVS on your computer. It's important to use the bidirectional communications cable, which was included in the SVS kit. Other cables may not work because they only support one-way communication. Plug the corresponding end of the cable into the computer's USB port. Then open the Windows control panel, select Hardware and Sound, then Device Manager, then Ports. Once Ports is open, take note of which prolific USB to serial COM port is recognized as activated by the communications cable, because that is the port you'll want to set in SVS. Next, open SVS on your computer if it's not already by clicking the SVS shortcut icon, or by clicking the Start menu and select Programs, Stratix SVS. Select Tools, then Communications port, then select the communication port, which corresponds to the one which was activated in the Device Manager. Next, plug the RJ45 modular connector end of the communications cable into the base of the Examiner Pro. Connect the Examiner Pro power supply to the communication cable. Connect the secondary power cable to the Examiner Pro power supply. You are ready to begin using SVS.